Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong has asked the CEO of the Shillong Municipal Board and Director of Urban Affairs Department to verify the RTI information that 148 of the 342 families of the Harijan colony are illegal settlers. The Hinyotrap Youth Council has, through an RTI application, found that 148 of the 342 families of the Harijan colony are illegal settlers. Reacting to a query, Preston Tinsong said that CEO of the Shillong Municipal Board and Director of Urban Affairs Department to verify the matter, even as he added that they have been asked to present all the details on the matter and, if required, even a clarification.
Pointing out about the RTI copy that they received, they said instead of 342, they found out that it was only 194 or something like that. So I told them, subjected to verification again. So I have already sent back this copy to the Chief Executive Officer as well as to the Director of the Urban Affairs Department, where they have to verify, re-verify, and then come back with the detail.
The Hinyotrap Youth Council today expressed